What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to continue working in my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. As you guys saw in the previous video, I primed this truck all the way around and it turned out really good. In my opinion, it looks pretty dang good. And also I was able to fix that ugly dent that it was right there. So what I'm going to do today is wet sand everything just to get the perfect finish. I'm going to focus a little bit more on that dent because I'm looking for that perfect finish. And I'm not quite happy with it yet, so I'm just gonna focus on that for a little bit more. But anyways guys, with all that being said, let's get to the video. What is up guys? It is actually the next day here. Guys, before this video gets started, I just want to show you something that my girlfriend made for me. So my girlfriend calls me the other day and she said, baby, I have a little surprise for you. And I'm like, okay, I'm ready. When she showed up at the house, she brought me this shirt. And I was like, thank you so much. So shout out to my girlfriend. She's the best. She's awesome. She's always helping me with everything. So thank you so much for the shirt and for everything you do for me. Thank you. But anyways guys, I just want to talk about a quick update. I don't know if that's the best route. I've been thinking about it. Instead of me talking about it, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty guys, as you saw in the previous video, you saw me paint this truck, just the bed side of the truck, and it turned out really good. This black stain that you see right here, or that black paint that you see right there, that is because I mentioned that I was going to work a little bit more on the body of the truck, and that's what I've been doing, especially this side, because after me painting this truck, when I was taking a close look at it, I didn't like how it looked. So I had the DA right there, and I was just like smoothing everything out, just making it that perfect shape that I'm looking for. So this black paint, as you see, it's just primer. And that's a little leftovers that I have from my the Honda CR-V that I did. So yeah, I think it looks a little bit better. Let me give you some light. You see, that's how it looks right now. There's no more dents. It's nice and smooth. Hopefully when I throw again another coat of primer, this gray primer, everything's gonna match nicely. But for right now, you know, I think it looks pretty good. I can't really tell, but I think it looks pretty cool, in my opinion, of course. There we go. So you have a better look right there. So I don't know, I think it looks pretty good in my opinion, but like I said, I'm looking for that perfect finish. But yeah, so this is what I'm thinking right now. This truck, well, let's start with the space. I am here in my garage, and you know, I don't have a lot of space. You know, this is, I don't know how big is this garage, but I'm pretty tight. I don't have no space for me to work on the back, and I have no space for me to work in the front. Let me show you. You see? So I am very limited on space. I just created this hallway so I can put all my tools and stuff like that. But as you can see, I'm pretty tight on space. So this primer right here, when I was spraying, when it dried up, you will just see like kind of like loose paint, as you see right here, and that stuff is flying like right here, you see. So this stuff is flying everywhere. My floors are disgusting. Everything is just pretty dusty. So the paint, buying the paint for this truck was not cheap. So here's what I'm thinking, and I think it's gonna be the best way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip this truck around, and I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on the rest of this truck. Basically, I'm just gonna work on this body right here, just to get rid of all this ugly paint, especially this hood. This hood is so bad, it's really bad. So yeah guys, that's what I'm thinking. Hear me out. I know you guys want to see some paint, and I'm dying to get it painted, but it's just impossible right now. If I paint in these conditions that I am in right now, you know, there's going to be chances that I'm going to like pick up some of that dust, and it's going to get on the panel. And then also when I'm ready to paint, I also want to remove all this ugly plastic, because already it's dusty right now, as you can see. So I want to put fresh everything. I'm going to get rid of that stuff, throw that stuff away, and then just put brand new fresh plastic. And then I'm going to have some clean floors, you know, replace all this stuff just to start fresh. But at that point, I just want to focus. I don't want no more dust, no more DA, none of that stuff. Just want to make sure this truck is nice and perfect. And then that's when I want to start focusing on nothing but just the red color and clear, of course. So that's what I'm thinking that I'm going to do. so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. As you guys saw, I wet sand this truck, and also I already dedicated more time on that ugly dent, and it looks like it's pretty good. I'm gonna find out when I throw that gray primer, because when I threw that black one, it looks like it's finished. But I'm gonna know for sure when I throw that gray one, because with the lighter color, you can see more details, more imperfections, because with the dark color, all you do is hide imperfections. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna call it done for right now. But like I said, I'm gonna find out when I throw that lighter primer. Now, next week, you're gonna see me bring out the D8. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, remove all the clear, and remove the color, because I just wanna get into some primer. So guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Be sure to like the video. That tells me that you like what you see and you support the channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more content. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.